जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन। आज 5 जनवरी 2023 है और आज के करंट अफेयर्स इस प्रकार से हैं। सबसे पहला पॉइंट, हु बिकम्स इंडियाज फर्स्ट वुमेन ऑफिसर टू बी डिप्लॉयड एट सियाचिन ग्लेशियर? एंड द आंसर इज कैप्टन शिवा चौहान। सेकंड, which country has imposed a ban on foreigners buying residential properties in the country? Answer is Canada. Third, which state becomes India's first state to have separate registration for the vintage vehicles? Answer is Odisha. Fourth, to boost tourism, which city ends 30% tax on alcohol sales and liquor license free to obtain? Answer is Dubai. Fifth, who has been appointed as the new and the youngest foreign minister of China? Answer is Queen Gang. Sixth, who has authored the new book titled Breaking Barriers, the story of a Dalit chief secretary? Answer is Kaki Madhva Rao. Seventh, which country to assume chairmanship of Vasenar arrangement for 1 year? Answer is India. Eighth, which country becomes Asia's first country and world's second to launch hydrogen powered train? Answer is China. Ninth, Election Commission has launched Mission 929 to take voter turnout in which state to over 90%? Answer is Tripura. 10th, which state government has launched Chief Minister Sukshre सहायता कोष? आंसर इज हिमाचल प्रदेश. सो गाइज, ये थे आज के करंट अफेयर्स. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू एवरीवन. गॉड ब्लेस यू.